Hey everyone, welcome back to Leggari Products. In this video, you will watch us coat this countertop using kit number 10. It has a black base, coffee and khaki highlights, and at the end, we add some white spray paint and dispersing effects to give it more depth. Order your kit in the description below and get started on your countertops.
All right, so we're getting ready to install the base coat of epoxy. Again, you're gonna have your plastic down, counters are already prepped, you've already primed it, so now this is the base coat part. And since we're gonna be blending the colors with the squeegee, I'm gonna use a foam roller to spread out the base coat, which is black. So we're gonna be doing black base coat with khaki and coffee highlights. And then we're just gonna kind of cross roll all the way down the counter, just spreading that bead out. Have spots that are kind of flowing over the edge, just pull them back to the top. Again, I'm trying to get right to that edge without letting the product drip over. What I'm doing on my edges when I hit my edges is I roll the top a little, get product on my roller, and then I want to roll about a foot and a half, and then I want to get back on the top, get some product on my roller, again roll about a foot and a half. If I just try to dry roll this, see how it's starting to sound sticky? You don't want it to sound sticky, so that's why we kind of roll a little, we get on the top, get more product on there, and then we kind of just go down all the edges. That's how we do our edge. So now we have the top all done, the edges are coated, so now the counter is going to kind of start leveling out, flowing over the edge. And since it's such an amazing product and self-levels so nice, you don't have to have it perfect as far as thickness everywhere, because it will level out and even out. So by the time you're getting close to being done putting your base coat on, like say when you start doing your edges, you should have whoever's helping you start mixing up the highlights. So I have my highlights ready. That way when I'm done, I can immediately put my highlights on And we're gonna be doing khaki and coffee. So we're gonna kind of pour this out just kind of randomly throughout this counter. So we're just kind of going back and forth. I'm not applying any pressure with the squeegee. I'm just kind of gliding over the surface. Now if you want to blend more of these hard edges, we can just take the squeegee, kind of tilt it on that edge, and just kind of blend that in a little more to get rid of any hard edges. Right, we don't have to touch the main colors really every time. And then we're also going to add a little bit of spray paint white into this counter. So I like to do the spray paints after, right? We blend it so I can kind of see where I want to put it. Make sure you shake it up good. I like to kind of be random. Some go all the way, some don't go all the way through. And then we'll take our squeegee, lightly blend that, real subtle, just to add a little white. And you can do any colors of spray paints with this technique. You don't have to do white. Again, we just don't want that to look like it was just sprayed out onto the counter. And I'm using the edge of the squeegee. That way I'm not getting rid of all the white. Clear isopropyl alcohol, 91% or higher, and we're just going to spritz the surface. This is going to give us some cells to help blend the colors. Again, I'm just barely pulling the trigger. I don't want big drops. I just kind of want small little drops everywhere. And you guys notice we didn't even touch our edges. That's because we've got a good thick coat of the black base coat on it, and that allowed the resin to kind of just flow over, dragging whatever's on the top down the faces.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was kit number 10. You can purchase your kit down in the link below. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single video. Also, leave us comments, let us know what you guys think. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.